Good morning, Light Riders. My name is Dan, and this is another edition of Magical Healing Mornings, the place where I get you up, off, and out the door with a shot of love and light to start your busy, beautiful day. Good morning, Light Riders. Let's get the day started, get some prana in, and get moving. So take that first deep breath in. That's right. Feel that cleanse in your lungs all the way down. And a nice, beautiful exhale out, purging everything out. Another deep breath in. Feel it in your throat, your lungs, your shoulders. Pull them back. Fill everything up, all the way down. And then another nice release. Let everything out. Now one more really good one. Fill up everything. All the way. Your chest, your lungs, your belly. All the way down. Fill your whole body with love and light. And now just one purifying exhale out. Get everything out. All right. So I'd like you to sit comfortably, back straight, feet flat on the floor. And I want you to go to your garden, your beautiful summery garden. The birds are singing. The sun's out. It's a perfect temperature. There's a gentle breeze. And I want you to see off to your right a cavern, a cave entrance. And I want you to head over there. You have no fear. There's nothing to be afraid of. You're more curious than anything else. And you go to the cave entrance and you go in. And it's warm and inviting. You walk deeper and deeper and deeper into the cave until ahead you start to see a glow. And you can hear water rushing. It's almost musical. So you continue. And then you come to a giant cavern. And through the cavern is a dark, cool, inviting stream of water. You make your way over to the stream and you start to walk in. You're holding onto a branch so you're firmly planted. You don't get carried away by the current. And then you feel the stream. It's magical. You feel the current. It's strong, but so gentle at the same time. You feel the current washing against your skin. And then you open your heart wider and wider. And the current begins to flow through that. And you keep opening wider and wider. And the current flows stronger and stronger and stronger. You feel the current moving through your heart chakra, all through your body. And it's just cleansing and clearing and pulling out all sorts of things. Just be present with them. Be present with whatever memories come up, whatever thoughts come up. Be aware of them. And let this beautiful, magical nectar from Mother Earth, from the core of Gaia, let it flow through you. Let Gaia cleanse you. Let her drag everything out. Let her clear all the corners out. Just let go. Just relax. This beautiful, magical, enchanted stream do the work for you. Gaia loves you so much. Just be part of that. Just feel her love as it literally flows through you. More and more. Deeper and deeper. Let anything that comes up arise, and let the waters carry it away. Back into the earth for Gaia to cleanse and recycle. And when you're ready, come back out of the water. Take one last look at this beautiful, dark, enchanted stream. And you head back out of the cavern, back to the cave, and back to your garden. And now back to your space. Wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes. Come back to your space. As always, thank Gaia for this beautiful playground that she's given us, this place of healing where we can do anything and go on adventures, but most of all heal ourselves. And thank you as always for showing up. Love and light, my friends.